Go into your bird box, breeding box. Where's the green one gone? Whoa, he got in. Is he gonna go inside? Guess what? Guess what? The Budgies laid an egg.
I'm going back.
What? What?
Well, where's that? There's no egg.
Hmm?
No egg.
Can't you see it?
Where? Is that real?
Yeah, don't pull it out.
Is that real?
Yeah. Unless someone's pranking me as well as you.
Oh, shit, that's not the candy.
It's an egg.
The real one.
Yeah. When did that happen? When did they become married? Look,
Oh, they're probably mine.
that is. I don't know if it's gonna hatch. That is a budgie egg.
So that's real egg. Not candy, just real egg.
That is a real egg. Look at it.
Well, okay, you can have some grandchildren.
Yeah, I got grandchildren. Well, you have to hatch first. So 8 a.m. on the 26th of March. Easter egg! For Easter, the Budgies laid. Well, it's going to be Easter in a couple of weeks.
So what's today? That's March. So
Sunday, the 26th. Is it 26th? Should be.
And then every March 26th, we can go celebrate.
Yeah. Well, it hasn't born yet. It's just an egg. But is it been fertilized? That is the question. Look, he's a proud father. Look. Happy. I got egg. Now he has to hatch. Now don't open up a lot. Don't touch it. You know, he wants to go back in. Look, the blue one wants to go back in. See, they prepared it by shredding the box. Lid off. Back. You can go back in. Look. Gone back in. There. We got an egg.
Are you pranking?
No, I'm not. Honestly, it's not a prank. That's what I'm saying. Look. Hovering about. Need to get the Budgie a cigar. To smoke.
Why?
That's what they do when they have a baby.
That's gonna be good.
Good parents. Oh, he's looking after it. Let's have a little peek.
No, you should not open it for the baby.
He's like, don't you dare open it. Look, he's going to protect. Don't you dare open it. Wait, let me have a look what they do. He's going to come back to protect. But get your fingers off it. Get your fat fingers off my. Let's have a quick peek. If it's looking after.
I never saw my fat. I never saw the.
Oh, no, he's on top of it. You're protecting
I
it.
never saw that fat, but you would have to get out.
He's laid an egg. Right, don't keep opening it though.
You forgot to open it.
I see what it was doing. So I think it was trying to keep it warm.
It was coming hot. When
I think the budgie should get a treat bell. Give the budgie a treat bell. That's why make sure you get plenty of food. It's got that calcium. It's the little. Oh, it's still got that little pink one. Yeah, it's laid an actual egg. That's not a prank. I was thinking of pranking you. Not today, but you know, thinking I'll put a little thing in. There's a real egg. That was quick. You only had that box for 2 weeks.
I was feeling that I'm feeling like it's gonna take 1,000.
Yeah, I thought it'd take months. Or if at all.
All of them?
No, if I thought it might not. Look, it's going back in.
How many eggs do they lay?
I got no idea. The Budgie expert, I don't know. We'll see. They'll probably lay more. No, they'll lay more eggs in it. The same kid. He's probably sat over it now, keeping it warm.
Oh my gosh, he wants.
That's why he spends all the time in there. He wasn't there yesterday.
He was.
I mean, the egg wasn't there yesterday.
Well, the budgie was yesterday.
So, what are you doing?
This brings back memories.
Get away from my.
Brings back memories.
Bring back memories. What do you mean?
Budgie.
You can have a baby Budgie. You're gonna have a baby Budgie. Yeah, they come and see it. Oh, when it's hatched.
On Monday, my friends come.
Yeah, you can say, but don't put your finger in. Make sure they don't put the finger in. Try and pick it up or anything.
What did I do tomorrow?
No, I don't know. It might not hatch.
What?
It might not hatch.
Ever?
Yeah, we don't know. We'll find out over the next. I don't know how long does it take for the budgie's egg to hatch. Yeah, we'll ask ChatGPT. How long does it take a budgie's egg to hatch? So today it was laid. Sometime today, looking for food. We've been feeding it food. Well, I know why. You know why the budgie keeps looking for food? Because he feeds the other budgie. No,
Oh.
he feeds the other budgie.
But you just.
Yeah, we just filled the food up yesterday. So that's why he's doing. Look, he's eating. Not for himself. He's eating for the blue budgie. So he goes there and feeds it.
Wait, but the green budgie only feeds that side. That's probably why.
No, the green budgie, he's not eating for himself, he's eating for the blue budgie. So now he's going to go there and going to puke it into the blue budgie's mouth. That's how they feed each other. They haven't got pockets, you can only feed it from mouth to mouth. Now he's going to vomit it out into the... Yeah, that's how they feed each other. Now the blue budgie is now keeping the egg warm so it can hatch. We'll see what happens. That's why we have to make sure they got food and water.
They married.
Yeah, we had the budgies 4 years.
The 4 years, the budgies got married and also had a child on the exact same.
Well, they've not had a child yet.
Well, kind
No.
of. The egg hatched.
The egg has to hatch. He's laid an egg. Now look, he's gonna go and feed. He's gonna go and feed the blue budgie now. Look, look. He's going, come on, I got you some food.
Remember?
Yeah, but we need to get the Mori.
You remember when it was?
We need to get Mori off TV
What's more?
so we can do a DNA test and say, yes, you are the father, or you are not the father.
It has to be because there's no other budgie. There's
Yeah.
no other budgie that gets in here and gets out of here.
Yeah, I think he'll pass the DNA too. That's why he's eager. Look, look how proud he is.
Guess what? He's also fine with
Congratulations.
How come he always sits on there and watches the TV while I put something on.
That was quick. You only had that breeding box with
Wow.
less than 3 weeks.
I guess it would be good.
Yeah, we didn't have that breeding box for long. Now we're gonna get lots of little little budgie for Easter. You got little chickies.
Wait, when's Easter?
The 14th April.
Oh, wait, when's April Fool's?
Few days, about a week, 5 days.
Then we can maybe we should plan to meet the daddy's house.
Hmm?
Wait, should we tell Anika or not?
What do you want? You want water? I think you want some water, this
Should
film.
we tell Anika?
Yeah, she's gonna take photos and videos and everything.
But make sure to open it.
Yeah, definitely don't touch it because it'll be very fragile.
Okay, I need to go back now.
Tell your mum. Yeah, go sleep then. Tell your mum, Budgie's laid the egg. Hmm? Daddy, you're gonna be a daddy. Well, have you fertilized it or what? Hmm? Do you know about the birds and the bees? Eh, you are a bird. Do you know about the birds and the bees? Gonna find out. The blue budgies in there, sitting on the egg. Hmm? And the green ones, very protective. Hmm? Looking for food. Look, you're hyper. In hyper mode. We'll have to step in and come flying back. Yeah. So, the blue budgies lay the egg. Got no idea when it's gonna hatch. You have to find out, Google it. GPT-3